Hey, what's up everybody? Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life. And today we're going to go back and do a update and also a stock tank pool tip. This is year 3 for us. And we absolutely love our stock tank pool, redneck pool, hillbilly pool, whatever you want to call it. Here's a few pictures at the beginning of it. And then just a 4 or 5 minute video just giving you an update after 2 years of having this and going into year 3. Just an update of how it's going so far. We've got 2 other videos on our food and travel channel. Right now, 2 of the top 10 videos we have as far as views is the stock tank pool. So we know those are hot. Those are things that during COVID people were installing over the last couple of years. Thank you guys for checking this out. Again, this is just a short video update. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel. Lovey's Fat Life is a food and travel channel. Right here you can see our biggest tip is these pool noodles. You can get these for $1 at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Dollar General is where I purchased these. Take a fillet knife, cut them in half, go right down the center of it. And as you can see, my son puts these on. It's very, very simple. On an 8-foot one, it took 6 of these. So with just a little bit, about an inch gap in between each one. This helps you out so that you're not burning when you put your arms on the sides when you're soaking, or if you're just laying out in it or getting in and out so you're not burning your legs. Very easy and simple trick. We upgraded the original Intex to the bigger Intex. And just to show you, polyfiber is what I put in here. Cannot speak highly enough of polyfiber. Changed it out this morning. Look at all that junk that it grabbed. This is May, so you know, wind's pretty rough and it does get into the pool. We got this set up on a 12-hour timer, so it comes on at 8:30 in the morning, cuts off at 8:30. This is the stock tank pool that I got from Tractor Supply. Got a little bit of a leak right here I got to fix. We've had this up and running for about a week now. It's still pretty cold right now. We're going to try to get in it. Big. I saw this a while back. These are $1 at Dollar General. You probably get them at Dollar Tree as well. And all you do is take a fillet knife, slide down the middle of these, and I showed my son putting them on. But it takes 8 of them to go in this 8-foot pool or 8-foot stock tank pool. I have seen people talk about painting the inside of these with the like seal, the tar seal. I have not done that. This is not rusting. It's about year 3 on this, I believe. And there's a little bit of dirt in here. I cleaned it out this morning, but you can tell the water's crystal clear. I live out in the country and we got well water coming from that right there. We have a lot of iron on water, so that polyfiber does a great job of cleaning it and buffering it. The only thing I've lost is my dogs. I took off the screen here. My son now is old enough, 10, 11 years old. He can't get stuck there. Like I said in one of my previous videos, if you have small children and you use one of these bigger pool pumps, make sure you are out here with them and they stay off of that, because that will suck them onto it and could drown them if they fell down and got stuck. So love our stock tank pool, especially in the summertime like it is now. And we have a great time with the family out here, just cooling off out in the middle of the country. And we just have a good time out here. Definitely recommend this. I think we had about $250 in this upgraded one. And I think I had up $3.99 in this. And the parts, and I'll put the link to the other video. These are Intex parts. You can buy the return and the return pump here. I mean the fittings. We got the on and off switches, which I bought, which make it easier when you cut these off and then change your pump out. I mean your polyfiber, or clean that out. So yeah, we really enjoy it. Well worth the money. 3 years. I've had a lot of people try to buy this back off of me. Down the road, we'll probably change this over to a koi pond. or sell it. I don't know, but we've had a great time with it.
Hey, thank you guys for checking out our year 3 review of our stock tank pool and also the tip of the pool noodle. Again, if you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe to our channel. Lovey's Fat Life, the food stands for smoking meat, barbecuing, griddling, doing restaurant reviews, and the travel, we like to travel sea or land. We love cruising, but we also like hanging out in our stock tank pool as well. Have a great day. Thank you.